Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we're heading to see Miss Janet again. So please do journey with us, and also please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so let's go.
Let's went.
Yeah.
And by the time when I say man, say to your girl, say, man, you went to the beach. So I went to Janet.
Alright, so guys, we made contact with Kevin this morning, who is Miss Janet's friend, the same gentleman who would have introduced us to her in the first place, but he's not here with us this morning. He says to give him a few minutes so we can go ahead. So usually you really don't see him. He's normally in the background anyhow. So we're heading down by Miss Janet to see what is happening.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ooh, cobweb. Ooh. Oh Lord.
Nancy Web that. When you take the lead, make sure you can maintain it. Yeah.
Well, the path is small, so two of us cannot walk in there.
So you never send me in front.
Oh, go on then.
No, sir, you take the front lead already. So you can't maintain it, send me in front now.
Somebody make one nice little bench right here. So
yeah, bamboo bench.
It's an idle bench.
Lazy bench. So they call them when they have high school, lazy bench.
Lazy bench. All the chocolate on that tree dry up. Like lightning strike it or something.
Somebody asked about chocolate, not sure?
I think so.
Yeah.
Well, then one they can't work, right? Okay.
And drop one tree there, so.
So we call from up here.
No? Who y'all call?
Miss Janet.
No, man, if we yard, we walk in at any time. But you're going in front door.
You take the lead. Be my guest.
So a good lumber tree, this is a pine tree.
Miss Janet, oh, you know we're coming. You come out, come look. Oh, you heard?
You must have Kevin saying tell her.
Yeah. How are you? Good morning. Oh.
Good day. How do you do?
I am fine.
Oh, okay.
Are you going to look fine?
I got the message from Kevin.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, you never see a funeral the other day?
You mean the one up by,
Yeah.
over by Hilltop?
So we can stream up there.
Yeah, I wasn't prepared for it.
I should have come call to him, man. Oh, this one here.
You know what? Because they watch the video. Yeah.
So you watch the funeral online?
Yeah, my son said to me, say, but it's the same people on that video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my son watched it.
Yeah, your hair looking nice this morning though, Miss Janet.
Yeah, and it is very tough, you know. You really come out properly, you know.
You look nice and neat this morning,
Yeah.
man. So how are you and how have things been going?
Well, I have seen a little change, as you can see. Yeah, they sent the contractor and another church member along with Kevin 3 weeks ago. A Friday coming in the 3 weeks. But I don't know the other plans.
Also they came online with all.
Yes, so
This is a line out.
yes. It's line out.
This is
So they line out house down here?
Yes, that's what I know.
oh.
And then they dig, follow the card.
Yes, and you get some.
Okay.
You do it.
I am now waiting for them to, you know, come with the materials. So
So you're not going to dig out it till they come?
Me not touch nothing. They are responsible for doing that. All I'm doing is chopping out, you know, the inside. Yes.
Oh.
Yesterday, I chopped out a part and burned some bushes.
Okay.
I plan to finish up, but I don't know if I can manage today. But I will do what I can do.
A little at a time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Well, not too bad.
Okay.
They say it's the best place to put it because down there so it's bush.
How will that tell you, say?
It's not so much a bush they were saying, it's just that the land had a slope.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I put it up there, it would take less blocks.
Material, the foundation.
Yeah. So.
Yes. Okay. So we're just waiting. We're in waiting mode.
Yes, we're in waiting mode.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, Miss Janet, one of our main reasons for coming is so because the last time we informed you that we had collected some donations. It's just that it wasn't enough to initiate the building. But now, so based on the fact that you have said this, because we had spoken on the phone and she had said somebody came to line out, so we decided that, you know, whatever donations we have, we'd hand over to you.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right, so we're here and we're going to hand over those donations that we had the last time. And in addition to that, we have 3 donors, 2 anonymous. One wants for you to buy groceries, and the other 2 is towards your building project.
Yes.
Right? So, and one of them we're going to refer to as Miss MP. All right, so it's 3 of them, so we'll hand over to you in a little while. All right, and we just want to say thanks so much to all the donors. You know, we pray that your store basket may never be empty, and we are more than we pray that your pantry will never be empty, and we are more than grateful for the donations and for the help that helping hand that you have extended to us.
Yeah.
What say you?
Well, I would just like to say thanks to all those persons who have participated in this housing project. And I am not going to watch what the other people say. You know, some people, they say bad remarks. I don't watch that. I love them still.
Yes.
And I hope that they will change and put themselves in my situation. If they would want anybody to mock them, it is no crime.
Yes.
And that is all I have to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And of course, as time goes by, you will keep us posted on your progress, or the progress of the work. And that's it. All right, so guys, until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.